as promised, first modification is going down today. K&N cold air intake. I got it right here. On my way up to Classic Auto to get them to throw it in for me real quick. Stay tuned.
Very nice.
Thanks.
What's up, dude? The Mustang guys.
What are you doing, man?
Good. Yeah, Lana.
Alright, man, we back in the Mustang. Cold air intake is installed. It looks great, it sounds great. I'm definitely happy with it. And yeah, I really feel like that, you know, the Blackhawk K&N intake really complements the whole shadow black theme of the car, which is one of the reasons why I chose it, along with the fact that it doesn't need a tune, because I really am not trying to avoid the warranty on this car yet. But yeah, I'm definitely happy with it. Like I told you guys before, check out Classic Auto in Smithtown. They do great work. My boy Vance looked out for me. He's off today, but he, you know, came in, hooked me up, threw the intake in. So shout out to him. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.